Today we'll be talking about millimeter wave sensors from Texas Instruments and their use in applications to locate, track, and count people. Millimeter wave sensors provide a number of unique benefits to applications in building and factory automation, and we'll take a look at specific examples and environments that highlight those benefits and use the people counting and tracking reference design, which can be found at the link below. Let's start with false detection. Consider an automatic door. How many times have you just walked past a door at a convenience store or warehouse only to have it open? This wastes energy by running the motor of the door and letting the air-conditioned environment in or out. Because millimeter wave can determine both the location and direction of travel of a person, it can be used to infer the direction a person is intending to go and reduce false detection by helping automation systems to anticipate the behavior of people. Our next example demonstrates that millimeter wave sensors can determine with high accuracy the position of an object. This can be used to benefit, for example, a retail tracking application in a convenience store or shop. Millimeter wave's high accuracy location can be used to track the location and activity of customers in a coffee shop. We can use the accurate location to determine where people are waiting and how many people are in a particular area. This information can be used to optimize and improve the customer experience by providing data that enables retailers to focus efforts on where they can increase efficiency. Our next example demonstrates that millimeter wave sensors can determine position and velocity even in the presence of challenging environments. As an example, let's take this factory automation use case, where we want to use the position of people to determine when to shut off dangerous machinery or limit the movement of factory robots. Other sensors, such as cameras and other optical sensors, are sensitive to environmental conditions, and their performance can be affected by changes in ambient lighting, or dust, or smoke that might be present in a factory or warehouse environment. By contrast, millimeter wave sensors can continue to sense and provide high accuracy data in these challenging environments. With automation systems increasingly moving towards high levels of connectivity and intelligence, implementing sensors in public and private spaces will bring sensitivity to how personal identity will be kept hidden. Take, for example, a gym locker room or even a bathroom. Having a sensor that can provide meaningful data on a person's behavior, such as what facilities are being used or if a person is slipped and falling, while still maintaining anonymity, will be an important capability. That's all for now. If you'd like to recreate these examples and realize these benefits for your own sensing application, you can pick up an IWR millimeter wave EVM and get access to all source code used in this reference design at the links below. Thanks for watching.